Hi everyone, this is going to be the first project for you. The project is very simple. You have to create a video. Okay, you have to create a video using this prompt. The prompt is a cute elephant running through a sunny park, cartoon style, bright colors. You can use this prompt first to create an image. Once the image is created, use that image to create a video. So what I'm going to do is I've already given the prompt here. I've selected the aspect ratio as 16:9. I'm using 3 images. I'm going to click on generate. It is going to create images in a few seconds. See, the images have been created. Now, what you have to do is, once the images have been created, you have to download one of the images. So this image looks nice. I'm going to download this image onto my computer. Okay, the image is downloaded successfully. Alright, once the image is downloaded onto your computer, what you have to do is you have to go to Hailu AI, select image to video option here. Once you select image to video option, under video, select image to video, click on this. Once you click on it, select the image that we have just downloaded. Okay, I'm going to select the image. I'm going to click on open. If you see now, the elephant image is getting uploaded. Okay, so the image is uploaded. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove this and I'm going to say something like a cute elephant, bright colors. Okay, so I'm going to paste the prompt here with the image and I'm going to click on 25. Once you click on 25, it is going to take 25 credits. Okay, I'm going to click on it and see how it goes. So this is your first project. Go to Piclumen, create an image, download the image. Once the image is downloaded, go to Hailu AI, go to image to video, upload the picture that we have just downloaded. Once we upload the picture, type the prompt like a cute elephant running through a sunny park, cartoon style, bright colors. If you want to modify a little bit according to your requirement, you can also modify the prompt. Okay, don't make it very big, make it short and concise. Because as a beginner, first try to learn how to use these simple prompts to generate videos. Once you are very comfortable with creating these videos using short prompts, then you can go with long prompts to come up with larger videos. Okay, if you see now, the image is uploaded and the video is getting generated. It might take a few seconds, so let's wait. I just wanted to let you know that in Hailu AI we have two options here. We have image to video and we also have text to video. You may be wondering why we have not used text to video, why we have not simply given text to create a video, why we have to upload an image, write a prompt to create a video. You may be wondering with this question. The reason being, if you upload an image, then it is going to use that exact image. It is going to use that exact image to create a nice video. Instead, if you simply use text to video and type an elephant running in a park, it is going to give some random image of an elephant running in a park. Instead, if you use this image style, if you like this image, if you like the smile, if you upload that image, then it is going to improvise or create a video based upon the image that you have provided. So that is the best part about this. So it is always good to use image to prompt, image to video for generating beautiful videos. So it is at 68%, 74%. It might take a few minutes. I really hope you are doing this on your computer, and I really wish you will finish this first project along with me. See, the video is generated. See, it looks like the elephant is trying to run or walk. So please create this video on your computer as well and see how it goes. Alright, I really hope you find this information helpful. Thank you very much for watching. I'll catch you in the next video. Bye bye.